Hey, I've got a cool little tip for you on using AI with Airtable. Now, first of all, if you've never used Airtable before, it's a really amazing program that is it's kind of a combination between a spreadsheet and a database. And it allows you to build unbelievably complex and cool tools. And like I like to use this instead of Google Sheets in a lot of cases. But I'm not going to go into every feature here. Instead, I want to go into one of the features for AI. So I was in my own account and I hadn't been playing with it lately, and I just realized that it has a really cool system. You can see I use this for a lot of different things. But if I click create down here, I can build one from scratch or I can build an app with AI. So this says it quickly turns your process into a custom app with data and interfaces. Let's take a look. I click on this and then it gives me some suggestions about the app I want to build. Projects and tasks, CRM, campaigns, across channels, content calendar. I think most people here, well, let's see what this does. Most people here can probably utilize a content calendar in their business. So I'm just going to do this without any extra prompts. I'm going to click next and have it create the app. So now you can see what it's creating over here. And then once it does this, this is the second time I've done it, I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. So it's asking, what pieces do you want on here? Content pieces, channels, schedules, platforms. Let's try calendar and engagement metrics. Now I can preview this, but I'm just going to go ahead and create it. Now this should take only about 30 seconds. And we're there. So now you see it shows up here. This was the one I did before, and I'm going to click into it. Now here's what you see. I'm going to go over this in a second. This is a preview of the app. I'm going to show you behind the scenes here in momentarily, but let me show you what you're seeing. Over on the left are, you can think of as the pages. So this is all your content pieces. So this is a piece here. Here's the title, the description, the content type. What channel do you want to distribute this on? Well, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. What platforms might it be shared on? By the way, this is a template. I can't say that it was built correctly. And then what's the schedule? Well, the schedule is behind the scenes. Like these are all, which I'll show you how the schedules go. And what's cool about Airtable is I can click into this and get a better view of it and edit it here. So unlike, let's say, Google Sheets. All right, so now I can see the various content pieces. I can see it even in like, typed articles, videos, images, graphics, and all of this can be changed. Really has a lot of capabilities. Now I want to go into channels. So think about your team using this, right? So these are the channels I would promote on, LinkedIn, etc. If I open this up, you're going to see some information here. I can add comments. If I want to take a look at schedules, this is an overview of the schedule. This is kind of hard to read, but maybe I want to see a timeline. Oh, this view is disabled. Okay, cool. I have to upgrade. It's quite all right. That's probably down here in calendar. So I can take a look at it like this. All right, so on September 11th, this piece is going out. And if I want to view it in more detail, I click this and I can see it. Let's take a look at engagement metrics. This is an overview of the metrics. This is a dashboard. Well, all this was created easily. Now, this is once more kind of a dashboard, but how else do you use this? Well, you can use it right in here. I can add content like test. I can open this up and I can say that this is a, description, content type. It's a video. I can drop the video here. And I can add a channel to just say, let's put this on LinkedIn, right? Easy. Now, let's say we want to edit this a little bit more. I'm going to come over here to edit app. Don't show again, skip. Okay, this is editing the app, right? So this is the manual way that we used to have to do this until it became AI-ified. But up here, you'll see data automations forms. So if I click data, you'll see it. Now this looks like a Google Sheet, right? Content pieces, you just add it in here. And if I open this up, I can all the records I want. And this tutorial is not to show you how to use Airtable so much, but to show you that there's some really cool things you can do utilizing AI to get it to build for you, thus saving an immense amount of time or having to hire somebody who knows how to do this because AI is there to help you. All right, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a message so I know you're watching this and I'll create more. I don't like to create in a vacuum, but talk to you soon.